Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking all about this beautiful bag. This is the Midi Emmy by Mina Baie. It's in nylon. The color is called Viola Gray, and I'm going to show you how I have her all packed up. I have been using this bag and I love it. I've had the Midi Emmy before, but in the vegan leather, which if you've watched my other packing videos, you know I love Mina Baie's vegan leather. However, this bag in the nylon, it's just so good. So I'm going to change the camera angle and I'll show you what all I have inside. Alright, so here she is. Beautiful bag. I love her so much. It is the perfect size for day to day for me. I can even use this for bigger days out. It's so good, and it doesn't feel bulky or heavy, which I love. So right here in the front you have a magnetic slip pocket. It is quite deep, and this is where I usually put my phone. It fits in there no problem, and I love that I can grab it out quickly when I need to. On the side of the bag here I have two things: a hand sanitizer spray and a bottle of sunscreen, and those fit great there. I love that they don't poke out of the top and you can't really tell they're there, but I have them when I need them for quick access. Then going on to the center of the bag, look how organized she is. So good. Love, love, love. So I love this bag for the organization. Let me take you through what I have in the center first. So you do get this nice long key leash, which I really love. And I just have my keys on there. Then in the center of the bag, I have two Lily Jade pouches. These come in a set of 3, and in this one, I am just keeping all of my medical needs. So I have everything: lotion, chapstick, medicine, all of the things. Then next to that is the medium piece, and this is obviously where I have all of my snacks. The key to happy kids on the go is the snacks. Then that's all that's in the middle of the bag. Everything else is organized into pockets. So along this back wall, there's this nice long zipper. And in here, I just have some time of the month needs. And then I have a pen, a Tide to Go pen, some travel scissors, and a Sharpie. And then I also have a comb for my boys' hair. Then in front of that, you have two stretchy pockets. I have 3 size 5 diapers in this one, and then over here I have a disposable change mat and a travel pack of wipes. Then going to this side pocket, I have a Replay sippy cup for the baby. And then on the other side, I have 2 stasher bags, one with Brain Flakes and one with Plus Cubes in it. And then I'm going to turn the bag around for you so you can see on this front wall I have 2 Bumpkins snack bags. This one is my potty kit, which I've shown lots of times, so that hasn't changed. And then in this one I have a bib, some utensils, a straw, and a Go Silly straw topper for if we go to a restaurant. And then also in that pocket I have a folding hairbrush for me and my daughter. Then right next door, you have another slip pocket here, and I just have 2 boogie boards in there for the kids to play with. Right above that, you get a zipper pocket, and in here, I'm keeping my wallet. This is a Jujube wallet, and it fits perfectly in there with my gum. This gum is from Quip, and I love it. It's really, really tasty. And then that is it. That is everything in my bag for day to day. It stays so light. My sunglasses fit here. They're not here in here right now, obviously, but it's just perfect. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you've enjoyed it, I would really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Ring the bell so you get notified of my future uploads, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.